Welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In today's video, let's make some healthy and delicious which will help in your weight loss journey lunch or dinner recipe. So let's get started with the recipe. So I'm gonna make quinoa. For that I have taken half cup of quinoa, which I'm going to wash nicely, and I'm just gonna wash. You don't need to soak or anything. So I have washed it, and now I'm gonna cook it. So in a pan I have taken my quinoa. I am adding a little bit of salt. So for half cup of quinoa I'm using 1 cup of water, and cook it just like rice, how you cook it over the stove. Measurement is the same, and now I'm just going to let this cook on the stove. Wait until water start boiling, then cover it and let it simmer it for 15 minutes. To make it much healthier, I'll be using quinoa as a protein and fiber source. So to cook this, I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil in it, and I have prepared some veggies here. Very easy and quick. Whatever you have on hand, use it. But this works really good in this recipe. So onion, bell pepper, and carrot and peas. My oil is ready and hot, so I'm going to add all the veggies into it. To enhance the flavor, you can add fresh garlic in the beginning, but I'm skipping it since I'm making easy recipe. You can use just powdered garlic. Once these vegetables get a little softened, into that I'm adding half cup of kidney beans. Now I'm going to cook this kidney beans as well, a little bit in it, about 2 to 3 minutes. And now I'm adding salt and give it a stir. You can add spinach. You can add so many fresh ingredients. You can add kale if you like green in it. And now our quinoa is ready, so I'm going to add half cup of cooked quinoa into it. And now here you can add whatever seasoning you prefer, but I am just going to use one which is so good. It's going to be my biryani masala, which is Indian rice masala. So that is everything inside is like chili powder, salt, sourness, everything is in here. So I'm using this curry powder kind of masala. But if you don't have this, you can just simply use salt and black pepper or chili powder, and it still tastes good. So use whatever ingredients or seasoning you prefer. I'm using this masala because it is spicy and I like spicy food, so I'm adding that. And after mixing and sauteing for 1 to 2 minutes, everything is ready, and I'm serving with cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and Greek yogurt. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video and you loved it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.